Hello, YouTube land, and welcome to another edition of the Crypto Mamma Mia, formerly known as the Middle-Aged Mom Does Crypto. Watch to the end because I'll be talking about my holiday giveaway with a few of my YouTube buddies. So watch to the very end to see what that's all about. But in the meantime, today's video, what is it all about, ladies and gents? Yes, it's another Saturday payday with cashFx. And thank you again. I took some time off, so this is my first video back. And of course, I have to talk about cashFX, steady, tried and true. And I know some of you have freaked out this past week. I mean, I'll be honest, I freaked out a little myself when my payment, my usual withdrawal on Saturdays, did not come by Tuesday. So I'll talk a little bit about that, and I'll also talk a little bit again about how cashFX works, especially if you are new to cashFX and the crypto space in general. But yes, disclaimer time. As always, I am not your financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. In fact, if you have come for that, please stop the video now, click away, go watch another channel. And also, please watch the latest and greatest on any program platform that I talk about business, anything that you're looking into. Don't just watch the video from like 5 months ago, 2 months ago, and be like, oh, see, this is good. Or, oh, or even the opposite, oh, this is bad. Don't watch that stuff. Watch the stuff that's the most updated stuff, like anything that's published today, yesterday, even a few days. I mean, even that though might be, it may be too late or it may have been too long already because crypto moves fast, ladies and gents. So you need to keep yourself updated with the latest and greatest. I mean, you've seen the volatility, it can go up and down, and crypto is just like that. It moves at lightning speeds. So don't watch a video from like a few months ago and be like, oh, that's super good, or oh no, this is super bad. No, watch the info and do your lazy research. I like to call it lazy research because all you do is you go up to this bar, you type in the name of whatever you're looking at, and voila, you go watch or read the latest info on that. That's it. At the very least, do that, ladies and gents. you know before you freak out. And I do want to talk a little bit about that. I had a few commenters freaking out over how come they didn't receive their payments like how they usually do. See, cashFX has spoiled us that way. We're so used to getting it. Like if you do a withdrawal request on Saturday, you're so used to getting it by like Monday, Tuesday, at the very latest Wednesday maybe. But yeah, I didn't get my withdrawal request payment until Thursday. So, and I'll show you, I did another withdrawal this morning just to see how it went. But I just wanted to read this, and this shows up. Okay, so when you first log in, this is your dashboard, right? Talks about the Facebook fan page, and then it talks about this. It has this big old disclaimer when you scroll down before you even get to your account balance. It talks about how in special circumstances such as global crisis, market volatility, long delays in exchange times causing drastic negative fluctuation in BTC, your withdrawals could take up to 1 week, ladies and gents, 1 week. And let's take a quick look at the BTC price. And I thought about it when I was thinking about why my payment didn't come out like as quick as it usually does. Let's see here. Oh no, it's not bringing up the price graph. Well, let's see. Let's try something else here. Let's go BTC price. See, lazy research, ladies and gents. That's how you do it. You just go to the search bar. Okay, I'm in euro. Let's go to dollar amounts here. No, let's do this. BTC price USD. There we go. Again, lazy research. There you go. Okay, so here we go. Let's go to the week, right? So let's look at the chart. I mean, look at this, ladies and gents. It's just, let's go to the month, maybe even. Do you see this? It went all the way up here, and then it went all the way down there in a matter of, let's see, Tuesday, November 24th, it was at that price. Wednesday, November 5th, look at the price. And here we are, around here right now. Right now we're at this. November 28th. But you see how the price volatility, and cashFX had nothing to do with that. That was just the price volatility of BTC itself. So that, I thought about that because I saw the price go up and then go down like in a matter of a day. Look at this. In a matter of a day, it went down more than $1,000, ladies and gents. So I figured, like I thought about that disclaimer they have right on their dashboard that, okay, that was what the issue was. So that's what happened. So I'm thinking if we have more days like that, your payment could be delayed again. But pretty much when BTC is stable, um, the payments come pretty quick. And I think it's because, again, cashFX have spoiled us, especially since they just had their official 1 year anniversary, right? Of last week, a little over a week now. But yeah, they just had their official 1 year anniversary. So I was like, no, I think it's just something to do with probably the price fluctuations. And they do talk about it. They say that right here in the very beginning. And that brings up to mind too, ladies and gents. With these kinds of things, they're always volatile. I mean, as much as I like cashFX, I don't ever fall in love with a platform. I've learned the hard way, the very hard way, on how to play these platforms games. I call it games because you just never know. And even this business itself, it's a business, it sells products. You just never know if it's gonna fold, right? You never know if it's just gonna close up shop and one day payouts will no longer be. I mean, look at your corner store market, your corner store restaurant, your favorite restaurant that you thought would be there forever because you always seen it was so busy. You've always enjoyed it, you've always gone to it, you bought gift cards to it because you loved it that much. And now, because of corona, things that are totally out of their control, they have closed up shop. And maybe you're still holding gift cards, and now guess what, those gift cards are worthless because you can't use them at the restaurant, you can't use them anywhere. So same here with cashFX. That's why you just be smart about these things, especially with Bitcoin things. Bitcoin and other types of crypto are just so volatile in general that's why I always say withdraw, withdraw. Unless you are in a smaller package with this program, I would say withdraw your first 100, especially if you only bought the $300 Academy pack. Withdraw your first 100 and then just let it run to the end, because otherwise you will not be able to pull out anything less than 100, right? If your account balance is less than 100, unless you upgrade, then you will lose that account balance. So that is my tip of the day, not financial advice, just some things that I've learned about this program. But then again, also, ladies and gents, don't bring your life money here. Don't bring your rent and be like, oh, I'm going to double it in here. I'm going to get 180%. It's not going to pay rent for a couple months. No, 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 and no. Don't do that. Don't do those kinds of things. Just bring your fun money. In fact, I have brought my fun money. That's why I only started out with $300 package. I have bought my way up to the $10,000 package. And speaking of packages, if you are new to cashFX, real quick, this is how it works, ladies and gents. As with any other marketing company, they have a product that they sell, which is their Academy packages, which you can learn how to trade on the Forex market. It's like buying an online education, right? Like trying to go to University of Phoenix, for example. But instead of University of Phoenix, here you are actually going through their Cash Forex Academy. And so you buy your packages here. And a portion of your payment goes to the trading pool, which then you get paid out every week, and that's what ends up in your account balance. So it's not like you can pull out your money, it's not one of those things, because you are buying something. Like, right, if you were to do a vitamin company, for example, unless you ask for a refund, and even then some of the companies don't give refunds. I mean, I think, I'm not too sure, I would have to look under the FAQs. You could possibly ask for a refund here, but of course they may have to take out their fees like anything else. Even if you bought through a vitamin company, you'd have to get your refund, but less the shipping and handling, or whatever the case may be. So I would have to look on the FAQs, but this is how it works. You cannot pull out your initial, because you're actually buying a product. This company sells academy packages or online education. Like, I have a bachelor's degree, so every semester I would pay, right, for my classes, and until I completed my bachelor's degree. So same thing here. You keep buying more education until you've hit their top package, or I guess akin to like a PhD, where you cannot learn anymore. You've learned everything that they have to offer as far as the Forex market, which that would be the $100,000 package. And you know what, ladies and gents, I know people who have spent way more than $100,000 on their education. So here, this is what you're spending your money on: your Forex education, right? That's what those packages are. But the good part with this is there is a portion of your payment that goes to the trading pool. College, they don't do that, right? You pay for your education there, but you do not get any of your money back through a trading pool. Unless you have like a scholarship or a stipend, then maybe that would be the same. No, not really. But, they do have, again, uh, part of the payment goes to that trading pool, where expert traders are trading with that payment portion, right? So 30% goes to the educational package, and then 70% goes to the trading pool. But again, that's their product, right? The academy packages are their product. It's like if you're part of oh, you know what, never mind, it's not the same. But let's go to withdrawals real quick. Sorry, sometimes I tend to trail off there, but that's not the point. So if you have not made a withdrawal yet, I've made one already today, so I don't have anything to withdraw. But all you need to do is go under finance, you request a withdrawal, and then it'll prompt you to put in the amount that you want to withdraw, and then your 2FA code, and then you will get a confirmation saying that your withdrawal request has been accepted. I will go ahead and show you that I made a withdrawal request this today just to test it out. And there it is. It's pending. And here I'll show you, because my channel, I just show you as it is as I go along. So I made a withdrawal request on the 21st, and it did not come till the 26th. And I think for a lot of people that was the case. So I think that's why people were freaking out, man, because they have spoiled us. Because look, some days you actually get it on the same day or the day after. And I think people were just not used to that. So they were like freaking out. But look, I mean, it happened to me before. In fact, let me see. I think when the market was volatile again, I forget. Oh, when the cervasis sickness first started happening and lockdown started happening. I think that was a time when withdrawals were taking a little bit longer. Let me see if I can find that. Oh, maybe it was from last year as well. There was some times when the market was not as stable, and so I can't find it. But there were some times that I've had payments that came a lot slower, and times that payments came a lot faster. So like I said to one of the commenters in my videos, just give it a chance, because on their dashboard, they do say it can take up to a week, and it did. But look, the main thing is that our payment came, and that's the most important thing, right? That it comes, right? Get your minds out of the gutter. I'm talking about payments. But anyways, this is what I've pulled out to date. including my 20% withdrawal fee. And just so that you know, there is a 20% withdrawal fee. So your total return will be 180% if you're just doing the bear side. But as always, like when you do the vitamin companies, you can refer your friends to buy vitamins. You can refer your friends to buy some Forex Academy packs. And if you do that, you too will get a referral commission or bonus, as I like to call it. And you can earn up to 180% in there as well, minus the 20% fee. Or you could just buy your Academy pack and do the educational portions, learn how to trade yourself, and then this will earn up to 200%. Then you can upgrade, buy the next educational module package, or just let it run its course. It's totally up to you. This is a great thing about the crypto space. It's totally up to you. You can do whatever you want to do, right? So that's that. This is my lifetime total. So of course, take out the minus 20% fee. Some people think it's steep, but you know what? If it can keep paying out till I get to the 100K package, and I've done so just from taking my profits and putting it back in after I've broken even every time, I will take it, right? I will definitely take it. So that's what that is. So just remember, you are making a payment to buy your Academy pack. So you're not able to pull that back out because you paid, unless you're asking for a refund, which I think you could ask support. But I think there's also a certain time frame. In fact, go look under the FAQs. I think they may talk about that. But it's been so long since I first started that I don't even know anymore. I just know that it's been paying out for over a year for me now. And with that being said, like I said, always do check the latest and greatest on that. And just know too that right now it's not open to new US members. As soon as I hear anything about that, I will definitely let you know. Also, just know too that they are coming out with some great stuff. They talked about it in their 1 year anniversary event. I think things like copy trading. So if you want to copy their professional traders on the Forex market, that's coming out soon. So keep an eye out for that if you are in that already. But in the meantime, guys, I've seen people upgrading, coming in, and hey, welcome and thank you if you have. This is just one of those things that I hope it can just keep going and going. I am hoping to, get all the way up to the 100,000 package. That's like getting the PhD of Forex education from them anyways. So who knows? We'll see how long this goes. I as much as I love this or like this program, I also know that anything can derail it and cause it to close up shop. That's just crypto, right? Because they take payment in Bitcoin, they pay out in Bitcoin. So I consider it a crypto platform, even though they trade on the Forex market. But hey, whatever works for them works, and it's been working for me. So just keep that in mind. If your payment is a little delayed, that this is the reason why, right? And we see the BTC price this month, this week, right? So keep this in mind that it can take up to a week, and just give it some time. That's all. Give it some time. And remember, don't put your life money in here. And now, since you've made it to the end of the video, yes, I do have a holiday giveaway coming out with my buddies Nobody Crypto and Crypto Muscle. I'll be doing a video on my Thankful Tuesday talking about it and some of the parameters. And it's real simple. And so please look out for my video on that. I also did buy a new computer, guys and gals. So no live stream this week because I'm going to wait for that bad boy to come in, and hopefully no more technical difficulties. I'll figure it out and then I'll do a proper live stream. Yes, I am so excited for that. And I will be putting up the computer that I bought on my Amazon Wednesday product of the week in case you are interested yourself. But with that being said, ladies and gents, I always thank you for stopping by. I'm glad to be back. Took some nice time off, but here I am back again with YouTube, with all of you, my Crypto Mama Mia community. Thanks again for stopping by. If you have not already, please like and subscribe, because in addition to my holiday giveaway, I will be giving away more BTC of my own if and when I will be hitting my 2000 subs mark, which I'm slowly inching my way there. So if you like that idea of me giving away more of my BTC, then please hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave me a comment. Otherwise, I hope that you're having a great day or night. Wherever you are, please stay safe, please stay healthy, please stay sane, most important of all, and I will see you at the next video. Adios.